Now that the new academic year has started in earnest, I was keen to share another message of reassurance with you and to also remind you of the range of services that exist on the university's campuses to support you throughout this very difficult time. But first and foremost, I was keen to thank you for your support during these last few weeks. These have been very challenging times for all of us at UWTSD, and in particular for you, our students. No, it hasn't been easy for you. We fully appreciate that. But the vast majority of you have followed the guidelines issued by the university and by the Welsh Government, and for that we are incredibly grateful to you. May I kindly ask you, each and every one of you, whether you reside on campus or off campus, to continue to follow Welsh Government guidelines for the rest of the term. By doing so, we can continue to keep our campuses safe for all users, thus ensuring that our current blended learning approach can continue until we are all able to return to some form of normality. One is very aware that living and studying in such challenging times can lead to all sorts of emotions and feelings. Some of you will be feeling exhausted, others will have had enough of all the online lectures. Some of you will feel lonely and isolated, whilst others will be missing friends and families. Please do remember, if you are worried about something, if you feel uncertain about something, or if you require advice or guidance on an academic or personal matter, then there is support available for you on all of our campuses. The University Student Support Services Unit has a presence on both the Carmarthen and Lampeter campuses, whilst the Student Hub staff are also there to provide help and support throughout the working week. Don't be afraid to contact them. They are there to help you, to advise you, to make life somewhat easier for you. That is one of the benefits of belonging to a small campus. As I've told you previously, by studying at Lampeter or Carmarthen, you belong to a community, a close-knit and supportive community. As a result, we are able to respond swiftly to address any specific needs that you may have, ensuring that your safety and well-being is a priority at all times. Despite the current restrictions, I sincerely hope that you have by now settled down at UWTSD and that you're enjoying being a student. We look forward to working with you throughout the rest of this academic term. But in the meantime, do remember, keep to the Welsh Government guidelines at all times. Look after yourselves and look after those around you. Together, we will get through these difficult and challenging times.